Eltham High School recently held its banquet at the Pegasus Hotel right here in Kingston. Let's see how the fifth form students went out in fine style.
Welcome to Eltham High School 2017.
Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody, you me did a pretty type from a team. Here some first time turn Abbey West Side Street, you know what I mean? Yeah. Ha, ho, ho, ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then, yeah. Couple rubber band, couple stop then, yeah. Up in the street, we a drop there. J.O.P. We up a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight, me feel I spend some cash. Cool on the Benz, just wash. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci loafers with a tough top. Money no fickle, thicker than a blood clot. Kuya no, pa me belly with a clutch back. When a bad sound clear, we say pull it up back.
Now it's time to roll over to Kevin J with this week's entertainment news.
Inside this week's E-News, Vybz Kartel debuts at number 50 on Billboard's R&B hip-hop airplay chart with his 2016 hit Fever. The song was produced by TJ Records and is the third Billboard R&B hit for the producer. This is Kartel's second entry on the chart, having peaked at number 76 in August of 2009 with Ramping Shop featuring Spice.
Fever. See me baby, everything crisp.
Roots is the name of the third studio album from reggae singer Ginger. The 14-track set was released on July 21 by VPAL. It was produced by Clinton Dilly for Stingray Records. Tracks on the album include My Sound, Bad Chargy, Great Son, and Not One Man. Ginger's debut album, Never Lost My Way, was released in 2010. He later followed up with Urge to Love, which was released 4 years ago.
Sweet killer, can't put back a foot in at the Rastaman villa. She's just a sweet killer.
Chronix recently debuted at number 1 on the Billboard Reggae album chart with his debut album Chronology. The album sold over 2,400 copies in its first week of release.
Do it for the love and I do it for the lights. Do it for the love and I do it for the lights.
And those were the stories making this week's E-News. I am Kevin J.
Before we head to our third and final commercial break, listen up to some road safety tips to help keep you safe in the summer, courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
Here are a few road safety tips for the summer. Hot times means more bicycles and motorcyclists on the road and an increase in road works. Never share lanes with motorcycle riders. Constantly scan the roadway in front of you, to the rear and to the sides of your vehicle for motorcyclists and bicycle riders. When going through construction zones, use extreme caution. Follow all road signs and look out for pedestrians and/or workers. These road safety tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocherias. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
We're all passionate about something. Work, play. Your body needs nutrition to fuel your passion. When was the last time you had 3 square meals a day? So when you're far away from food, you can nutrify yourself. When you don't have time for lunch, nutrify yourself.
Packed with 14 grams of protein, fiber, over 20 vitamins and minerals, and costs about 75% less than leading meal replacement drinks. It's non-stop nutrition for your non-stop life.
Lasco continues to reduce the cost of living.
Your body needs hydration.
We have a post.
Even when work is a workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands, Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.